Welcome everyone! Today we take you to Söven, a picturesque village located in the Rhein-Sieg-Kreis district of Germany, just a short distance from Siegburg and the historic city of Bonn. It is June 9th, a public holiday here in Germany observing Whit Monday. The local school and streets are completely quiet as the community enjoys this peaceful long weekend in the countryside. Right beside the village, a traditional traveling circus, Circus Mike, is setting up for their upcoming shows. Across Europe, these pop-up events bring vibrant festive entertainment to countryside communities. Passing through the countryside, we spot dedicated farm lots growing young pine trees, cultivated especially for the upcoming winter Christmas season. I am joined today by my friend Ahmad, who has come all the way from Spain, and Yasser, who lives here in Germany and brought us to explore this beautiful village. Together, we are walking along a scenic trail surrounded by breathtaking views of rolling hills, lush green valleys, and pristine farmland. Tucked within the crop fields are vibrant white and yellow wild chamomile blossoms, adding a delicate touch of natural beauty alongside the crops. Look at the incredible quality of this wheat crop. Planted in perfectly precise rows, the heavy crop stands tall and rich, reflecting the excellence of German precision agriculture. A truly serene day spent exploring the natural beauty of the German countryside. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RJP Digital and RJP Travel for more exciting video reports. I am Tariq Hashmi. See you next time.